Alright, good morning everyone. You've got this really flattering angle of me this morning because got my hands full right now. And we're headed to local Starbucks here to get some work done. Let's get this day started. I will apologize for this angle, but nothing I can do. Got my hands really full carrying some stuff. Beautiful day outside. Beautiful day. Not too hot, not too cold. Don't know how well you can see me. Got really bright all of a sudden with the sun. But at the car now and hopefully get you a better viewing angle. You can see why that's why my hands were full, carrying all that stuff. Right in. See ya.
See ya.
Alright, just left Starbucks, left Scott, got the cameras, and now I'm headed to a filming with one of our clients. This filming is all about B-roll, so nothing really A-roll. So basically B-roll, filming and footage, it's just all footage that is supplementary to A-roll. And A-roll is just whatever you want it to be, talking head, voiceover, or really anything of text on the screen, whatever you can, or whatever you want really. And the B-roll helps supplement that in telling the story that you want to portray in the video. And that's basically what I'm going to do, is just get a whole ton of B-roll at this certain client's place. And not using B-roll for anything, mainly for the things that it makes sense to go over top of. So if I'm making a cup of coffee, it doesn't make sense for me to have footage of me driving to making a cup of coffee, if you know what I mean. And it's kind of just what makes sense for that day or what's going on for this client. It's such a beautiful day outside, nothing to be angry about, just grateful for everything that's going on in life. Hope you're having a great morning. Alright, just made it to the client's place. I will see you guys in a flash, or snap, or whatever you want to do it. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, just got done finished filming all the B-roll here at the Promenade Shops here in Center Valley, Pennsylvania, and it's really a lot of fun. It's a beautiful day outside. I got to work on my tan a little bit. I might have got a little burnt, but that's okay. Comes with the job, and I'm alright with that. You know, being from the South and getting used to being burnt sometimes, getting a little tan, farmer's tan a lot of times. But I wanted to tell you guys, like, a few of the things that I think about whenever I'm filming B-roll for commercial clients or weddings or anything with videos. What I think when it comes to good B-roll. The first thing that comes to my mind is always thinking about your end product. As far as, what is this video gonna benefit from? What's in front of my lens that if I go to press that record button, will this clip benefit the video that will be edited in the long run? And with certain situations that we filmed just for the sake of filming, in the matter of, hey, we let it record, whatever we capture, and then we make a video out of it that way. But when it comes to B-roll, it's really good to get in the mindset of being intentional and pressing record when you're ready, when you have all your settings dialed in, and you know that's going to be a good clip for the editor or you that is going to be editing the video will use in the video. It's pretty common sense if you really think about it, but I think a lot of video people don't think about that and aren't actively thinking about that when they go to film anything. The next thing I would say when it comes to good B-roll is saving time. So if you look in your lens, or if you're looking at your camera and you're just like, okay, this is a good clip, I'm gonna hit record. And then you let it run for however long the action's happening, or however long you think the action's gonna take, and then you hit record again, and then the clip's over. But what I see a lot of people, and Scott taught me and beat this kind of really in my head, and I really appreciate it because he did, is that whenever you press record, you're not pressing record, you're not getting your settings, you're not getting your composition, you're not getting your focus, you're not getting your white balance, you're not getting all that set up after you press record. You're getting that set up before you even think to press record. Think about that. The next thing I would say for B-roll is just another quick tip, is change your focal lengths and move around in the matter of try and create storylines within storylines, as far as don't stand in one spot, get a wide angle, don't stand in that same spot and get a tight, but change it around, like turn around, like come at it from different angles. There's infinite number of possibilities you can do when you film B-roll. That's what's so great about filming B-roll, is that there's an infinite possibilities to it, and you can't go wrong other than recording all the time and wasting space, and eventually just wasting time for everyone if you just aren't intentional with what you're shooting. So a little bit of an encouragement. Hope you're doing well, and I'm headed to get some food, and then I'm headed to Scott's house to see what's next for the day.